Shit, baby. What is going up, G's? I hope you guys are all doing amazing this Wednesday. It is a good Wednesday. It is the midweek break, and it is CPI day. As you guys see, you have got the two younger G's again back in the building. And I think we've got a very good record going for us lately, so we're going to see if we can continue that. But before we get into that, Miles, how are you doing today, brother?
All good, my brother. How are you doing?
Can't complain. Guys, just let me know, as always, with the audio, if it is good, if the music's too loud, if we're too loud. If we're too loud, well, then turn your volume down, because that's not changing. But it is going to be good. Before we get into that, just a little bit of the admin side of stuff. Chris obviously had to step out this morning, guys, so I'm just stepping in for him. And then obviously it is CPI, so a lot's going to be happening on the markets, a lot to watch out for. And then I'm sure Mr. Miles over here, so I'm going to give you guys some pips.
Yeah, we could.
This is our Miles' last one, our second last one, before we head off to Cape Town tomorrow to see all you beautiful people. So we're going to get the ball rolling with all of that. But before we do any of that, guys, we're going to open us up with a prayer. And just a little something I've been doing again lately, so I thought I'd actually just share that with you guys. Because every single day we have a different prayer for the day. And today's prayer is basically on finding silence and peace within our lives. So we're about to pray, guys. So if you want to follow along with us, please join us in this one. Heavenly Father, I come before you seeking peace and stillness in my heart and mind. In the busyness of noise and life, teach us to embrace silence and find your presence in the quiet moments. May your peace, which surpasses all understanding, guard our hearts and mind in Jesus Christ. Help me to cultivate stillness amidst chaos and to seek agreement and harmony in all of our relationships. Guide us, Lord, to dedicate daily quiet time with you, reflecting your word, your promises. Let our lives be a testament to your peace as I strive to live in harmony and tranquility each day. Amen.
Amen.
All right, guys. I thought this is something we'll share with you guys. You guys can let us know what it is. As I said, being just on a little bit of I'm going to say a journey again. And every day we have a different prayer. And as I said, today was about finding peace and tranquility in our lives amongst all of the noise outside there. And I think that's very fair with everything that happens in trading. So let us know how you guys feel about that. But guys, let's get the ball started, the ball rolling. And before we do anything else, as always, I say I'm not really the London trader anymore. Obviously, I will look for a trade, but I know someone over here who is a London trader. So Miles, I'm going to give over to you first, my brother, to see. Just hold on a second, yeah. I don't know why your screen is not showing. Just give me a sec, yeah. Just want to give Miles
For you, day, only later London. But for Cape Town, we will be fresh. I think Chris and Keys are getting their cuts today as well.
Yeah, we literally have our cuts a little bit later.
Your camera just froze.
There we go. Sorry, guys. I was just changing things. I will sort my camera out now. But there is Mr. Miles in the building, and I'll sort my camera out quickly. Because I look like I'm
perfect
blowing bubbles or something. I don't know. So there we go, Chad.
Right, Chad. Let's see what we got in store. Currently looking for some GJ buys. I think this is going to be something that I definitely get involved in the next 4 minutes. Quick one, just in case I miss it. So here we are with GJ being overall bearish on that weekly and that daily, approaching that current liquidity area of that level 192,500. That is my QP area. Here's my demand area down there. Can somebody tell me what we're doing? We are range trading, ladies and gentlemen. Here's the thing. Very similar to the trade that we took on Monday. The question is, where does price need to grab liquidity from in order to push? Is it going to be randomly there? No. Is it going to be maybe there? That's a very high probability. Where is price right now, though? It is at a resistance point. So here's my idea. I'm going to have to just speed this up because I've got 2 minutes. But I'll review the trade after I take it now. I'm waiting for that 15/30 close above. I'm going to get the 15 close now. The break of the highs, which is the re-break of the current daily high, I will look for the longs. Okay? So this is the idea. It is pushing a little bit too much for me right now. Hoping to see it reject slightly and then I can get involved. The idea is that we're closing above the resistance. With my 30-minute being bullish right now, all I want to see is a bullish continuation. For me to take it right at the highs like this, it's a no-go, unfortunately. I was hoping for not to close that strong, but we've got 2 minutes and I'll review the trade for you guys properly. I just don't want to miss it. And then I don't get my move this morning. But this will be the idea. After the next candle starts to drive down, grab liquidity and re-break highs. Let me just see here quickly. So we've got 2 minutes, just a quick one. This is not financial advice, if you didn't know that. Purely just education and entertainment. How about this? If we don't take the trade, you guys need to like the stream. How about that? I think that's quite fair, right?
Your guys just like, listen, Chad. There's no market open here. We just take trades.
Yeah, no, we don't have time. We don't have time for games here. We're running a 14 trade win streak at the moment. We're gonna make it 15 today. Let's go.
Sheesh.
So a minute left. Look, if I don't get on this 15, there's a higher probability I can get on the 30. So patience is everything for me right now. I just want to see what it does and how it closes.
Man's ready for it, yeah.
Now we running and gunning.
Chad, as I said, I'm gonna leave it. Yeah, if you quickly see trade, as I said, I'm not really taking anything right now, so it's not like you miss anything from my side. I'll do a quick breakdown after the fact for you guys, but yeah, nothing you're missing out on.
Did Carl just greet Nighbot?
To be fair, I wonder if you greeted it, would it greet back?
Don't know.
Like if you like atted it. Can you at Nighbot?
Not sure. Here we go, Chad. Closure above. I don't want the flip of the candle because this candle can come right back down because you are sitting at liquidity on the left. Can you see that? Look quickly. But what I do want is buy stops above the high right now in anticipation that if she's going to continue driving, she should hit that 10 pip mark. So yeah, we're going to do that. Buy stops at the break of the high for a 10 pip target. So buy stops for me is 191986. The only time I'll do the buy stops there is going to be if it pulls back solidly. If it doesn't, I'm going to do it above here. So at the moment, I've got buy stops pending at... let this thing just load. Uh, 986. 191, 986. Stop loss obviously 30 pips and TP is 10, and the extension of that is going to be the liquidity area that I spoke about, which will be, let's call it 192 200 and then into 192 500. Okay,
There we go.
so let's see what happens here, boys. Candlestick anatomy is starting to play out. This is simple: higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. It's going to create a high high. That higher high, I want it to continue driving. Okay, so that just triggered me in there on GJ longs there. Entry was that 191 986. 10 pip target being 192 086. And yeah, the extension of that, like I said.
Chad, you know, the only question here today is this going to be a 5-minute trade or a 5-hour trade?
What's this? 192, 205 into that 50 pip target of 192, 500. So that would be your runoff area, but you know me by now, Chad. 10, I'm out of here. Once the trade hits stop loss or TP, I'll explain why I took the trade to you guys in a bit more depth, so you can get a bit more understanding. And then we'll run through gold. Then we can run through keys, charts, and then we'll take it from there. But yeah, currently in this position right now on GJ, I'm going to anticipate that it'll continue driving. Also very important for me to see this 30 close strong bullish. Yeah. Let's say this is the case. I like to play scenarios out because it keeps me on my feet all the time. Let's say this thing rejects completely and it closes weak bearish, and the next candle breaks the lows and closes beneath. Let's say I lose this trade. I'll then look for those shorts down. Whoopsie. I will look for those shorts down, because then that will be the rejection of that area. Price to close back beneath here, not in this candle but the next candle, and then I'll range trade it. So there's literally always an understanding and an opportunity for us to get involved, as long as you focus on structure and the candlestick anatomy of the candles itself. But those buy stops are obviously active right now. Current daily high has been broken. I can remove that. We are currently at the highs of the day. Maligna FX are having a private session tonight. Yes, brother. 7 p.m. All the MFX members, you know what it is. Wednesday, 7 p.m. Quick midweek session. Miles, the streak will continue. Amen. We need to beat 27 trades, boys. We need to beat it. This year we gotta do it. Chad, how are we doing like midweek though? How's everybody's emotions, accounts? How are we doing? Midweek Wednesday. How's the gents doing? London Open coming up. In what, 10 minutes? Let's see how it goes. If you win this trade, I'll sub.
Hey.
Yo. Keys, yo. Bruh, Keys is on some demon time at the moment. He's killing this shit.
Hey, sharp brother.
Miles, what percent do you risk on a trade? 3%. Oh, Hawaii up 1.2%. Nice, bro. I'm up 30% for the week. 30% in 3 days. Damn, bro. What's your risk?
Well, that's a bit. Yo.
Something is whispering in my ear saying porting. Full port. The big thing is we're still breathing. How the count is doing is not even out there. Oh, my brother. Stay positive, man. Well, the count isn't blown yet, so good.
Wait. Hold on. I need to do some investigating here. Wait.
Being on a trade with you has taught me to be calm with whatever the outcome. Brother, don't take my trades.
I'm in profits now. Hey.
Don't take my trades, guys. I never win, please. I always lose. We have a 0% win rate. Don't take our trades. It's not financial advice. Chad, check my carnivore diet.
Man.
So the ladies out the office, which means shirtless Wednesdays, and Chris is out the office, which means iced coffee Wednesdays. No time for no steak today.
Yo, Chad, how's this? My boys, we got out last week. We come back, we still catch them leaving the office. So we're like, hey, where you guys going? Nah, secret mission. So I said, what? Nah, secret mission. So I'm like, okay, cool, like whatever. I don't know what these eggs are doing. Do these eggs not go for like, what, hour and a half, bro? 2 hours. They at Seattle having coffees, chilling, and we sitting here in the office like, oh wait, shop for the invite.
I was like, I sent keys, hey bro, come with. Just come with.
Do you update us on your BE?
Huh?
He's asking like updates on when you go BE. I don't know if Miles goes BE. I think he just gets DP and that's it.
Miles chalked it out. Look, I wouldn't say I chalked it. It's just on a temporary break while we're in Cape Town. That's all. Back on Monday, back on that BS. I think, maybe. Let's see how it goes. Let's see.
Bro, if you have skill, fund a 1k on a micro. Always catch a good entry. I work on a 15% daily target.
Hey, my brother, man. What y'all say?
Yo.
What y'all say there in the chats? If you got skills.
Yeah, I haven't seen any protesting. I know Fobs, I know you are like a anti-Trump.
Jordan, are you ready for me?
I'm seeing either TP or stop loss. If it works for you, it works for you, bro. Yeah. Ready for what? Let's see. Keegs, you think Naz will hold this grabber kick? Yeah, bro. I think, like I said, I mean, that thing's already the EQ done there. Yeah. I mean, at this point, you would have already been break even. Your TP, your first TP would have been Asia highs. So, yeah, you definitely would have been break even already on this trade. Okay, confirm, not a 5-minute trade. I cheated on the carnivore. Damn, the toasted cheese was so lacquer. Did you guys see the reset account in JP? Yeah, we're waiting to see how the Oaks are going to destroy that thing. I wouldn't say I'm an anti-Trump. I actually wanted him to win the elections. I just don't like how he's going on about his business and shit with Elon. I don't mind him, bro. I mean, I'm a big Trump guy. But, nah, I still say he knows what he's doing there. What lot sizes do you use, brother? The real question is, brother, if I tell you I use 10 lots or if I use 100 lots, what difference does that make?
I've been getting that question every day on stream.
I took the reverse grabber on US 30. Hey. Yeah, Keelan.
Surely if he's promoting XM, wouldn't he be trading with XM?
Yeah. What are we gonna? I think that's quite self-explanatory.
Toasted cheese would slap. Bruh, Ed. Make for us? Make for us? Actually, no, I'm lying. I don't want bread. Even though I'm not on the carnivore diet this week, I'm not going like mad. Like, I'm not being unnecessary. Oh no, guys! Stop loss hit, guys. Stop. That's another TP, boys. Well done. I'd like to thank my mom, my dad, and my parents. GG's, boys. Kings, that stream, bro.
Hey, there you go, Chad. Okay, we're going to see you guys next week. We'll see you then. Trade safe for CPI. Nah, we're joking, Chad. Maz, you look like that that never says no to a meal.
Only if your mom's on the table. Kidding.
Yeah, guys, the Rooks. Check the link there. Rook said if you guys want to win a PS5 and a 65-inch Samsung TV, just go sign up there. You guys can win some awesome prizes. As soon as Trump is through all the admin changes and new acts, you'll see him dial the recovery of the economy. He had the fastest recovery on NASDAQ in the last presidency. Exactly. People that size you use is ready from the judge how much respect to give you. Small boy movies. Yeah.
Peace and love, guys. Tariq. Hey.
He's trading. I have already created an X account long ago. How do I enter the comp now? You create another one, brother.
Okay, Chad. So that's the trade. I just want to run it through with you guys because we obviously didn't get a solid breakdown. Because you've got the liquidity provider, right?
You got that sub for us now.
Oh yeah.
There we go.
Thanks for your sub. What did you say? Which one was his
Precious
name?
Davies.
Thanks, Precious. Thanks for your sub, bro. It's gonna make a most of difference. Okay, Chad. Let's have a look as to why I took the trade. And then I'll hand over to Big Man Keegs. Because I think he wants to take a grabber play. Kidding. Daily. Here's the thing for me that is big on the daily. If we look at the market sentiment and the structure, this is something I spoke about yesterday on the charts as well. Here's my support levels here tested multiple times, right? So we call that, let's call that price accumulation. Okay? Price then pops out, retests, holds the level. If price is doing that, where's price going to go to? It should continue driving to the upside, right? Then I simplify it a little bit more. If I got a range low, a range high, range low, range high, how many times have you not seen range lows and range highs on the left hand side? So that's all I did. Trade the range. Then we have today's candle giving us that bottom wick and re-breaking the highs of the previous daily, which has also just engulfed, what is that, Monday, right? So that's also the idea that I pop into that on that daily. 4 hours coming to a point where it's flipped the structure, bullish, right? Trading higher highs and higher lows. And then we have something which I like to call my type 5, but I don't apply it on the 4 hour. But to understand that sort of idea, there's my resistance, there's my break, there's my pause candle, here's my drive. You with me? So my understanding is going to be this 4 hours is going to halt, create resistance, come down, grab liquidity, and start popping above those highs. It should drive into the beautiful LTA on the left hand side, into the next QP area, because that's how QP works. QP works from QP to QP. If I'm bullish, quarter pip to quarter pip to the upside, right? I then see that happen, and on the 30-minute, I have this. My consolidation range, I wait for price to close above or below. In this case, it closed above. On that 15, there she is right there. There's my closing candle. There's my closing candle above. There she is. This could have been a type 1 play as well, but I won't mention that because we didn't take that. This was a type 4. So got that closure above. Next candle gives me the bottom wick. As it breaks the highs, I can take it. And that's the trade of this morning. Very simple, not rocket science. And here you're now running 20 pips. I'm a 10 pip good. I'm a 10 pip dude, so that's me for the day. And to be honest, that's me for the week because I'm not going to trade while I'm in Cape Town. And that's our 15th win in a row. Once again, another 100% week. I feel like when me and Kings are together, we're just like a bomb. Because we haven't had a losing.
No, we haven't.
No, we haven't.
Chat.
So, GG's, man.
And on that note, markets are early now open. Round 5. Ding, ding, ding. Fight.
Round 1. Fight.
So let's see.
Miles, I call this the string. Thanks, Carl.
Yeah, Chad, I'll quickly do the run through for you guys now. Now my boy's done there. So let's head over to EX. Wow, what am I looking at here, guys? So again, very, very much a bearish market we've been seeing for the dollar. And a lot's going to happen today. I'm telling you, today is going to be big. If you want to know what we're looking at, how we're going to approach it, obviously the Project G members know what we are thinking for today. But obviously CPI, a lot is going to come off of today. So keep a lookout. When you see here now, guys, if we look at the same thing, key area, we are literally in the 50% margin and we are parking that bus. I don't see us doing anything crazy here until CPI, where you're going to get either the break to the top or the downside. So very, very much neutral. We're going to see what happens there. Two things you guys can already see. Damn it, let me get off that thing. We open up with a little bit of a gap to the top side. So same way I'm saying this now, Asia highs, we at the EQ, we're either going to see market continue to drive back to that key level, or it's going to see that drop off and continue back down to take out these lows, previous day lows, and go for the next key level of 102.701. So just be on the lookout for that. Going to be quite interesting what happens there. Over to the indices. We spoke to you guys saying that we are bearish. We obviously were neutral just for the start of the week. We want to see obviously when those weekly candles set up. Opening up, testing the monthly S1, and that was the last we saw of her. She just went bearish after that. Yearly pivot being taken out again. Level of resistance, and we've come back down, breaking the next daily key level. We've held its resistance under there, but now holding this monthly S2. So at the same time, we're in a little bit of a level of a range here. Monthly S2 daily key level. Hence, we can see the breaks, massive wicks to the downside, taking out the low over here, but turning around, also failing rejection, pulling back, and now we're seeing that park. So again, we always talk about it with the ranging market, you need high volume to break out of that. Again, CPI is around the corner now, so I don't think we're going to get anything too crazy. For those that were in NAS, that is your first TP. Trading to the grabber, you guys know this. Asia lows, Asia highs, sweep of the day. There's your two boxes ticked. The test, breaking back up. Now you're taking your trade. There we go. So that would have been your setup play over here. Take the trade off the EQ, and Asia highs your first TP with the idea of a weekly S1. But again, I probably would have closed here purely as to say because it's CPI. Then lastly, or second last, US 30. I think Ed's also slowly getting into it there if he was in the reverse grabber. Asia lows, Asia highs, sweep of the lows. So you now once closing back in would have gone long. So your trade would have been somewhere like this. There we go. So depending when he entered, which looks, I don't know if he took it on the 5 or the 15, but his trade's going to be somewhere on that break back in. Mitigate this as low as we can. There is your 30 pips. So there we go, and Asia highs. So there is your 1 to 2, and you could have made your 1 to 3. So Ed, let me know if that's basically where you took the trade. That should have been your first TP there on the cracker, or on the cracker, sorry, reverse grabber on US 30. Yearly pivot back into place, so things looking quite interesting. Project G members, I hope you guys are taking note after the breakdown we did last night. Don't say anything, but I hope you are taking notes over here. And then lastly, guys, gold. Again, very, very much neutral. We've seen this thing playing up and down the last 3 days. I don't know why my trading view is frozen yet. Just give it a sec. Yeah, so there we are back above 2900. We've been playing in this area. The thing for me, guys, if you spoke about it this year, we wanted this to break above, giving us that, taking out the highs, breaking this level of resistance. But we held resistance and we held underneath this level. So again, not looking too good for gold, hence why we are still neutral, even though on the weekly we are bullish. Same thing applies as always, guys. We have two things now we can look out for. Lots of wicks showing us the amount of volume that is being rejected, that this thing can then flip bearish, give us something like this, and take out the lows to drive lower back down to 2900. Or we can get the play, which is going to give us the idea that this can then flip bullish once it breaks, hold support, and continue bullish after that. Again, I don't think we're going to get any of these clear moves ahead of CPI. We're going to have to most likely wait for that. So when we're looking at the 15, we are probably going to bounce around in the range of, you can see Asia lows, Asia highs. We have the level of resistance, back to Asia lows, and I think we're probably going to sit here around about 29.18, 29.15, and this is where we're going to park the bus until CPI, where it either drives to go bullish or comes back down to go bearish and have that move of gold coming back down as well. So it's going to be quite interesting what is going to happen on the markets today. But personally, I'm not going to be taking anything until after CPI. But that is just me, guys. That's pretty much everything there.
All right, Chad. Starting stuff there, my brother. Yes, Jordan, I'll journal. Yeah, man. I'll journal that trade. Don't stress. Don't stress.
One with you, bro. I'm done for the day. Awesome routine. So, Carl, no chalking Chris. Wait, what happened?
Hey, Loli, don't take my trades. You're gonna lose.
Me too. One with you, bro. Awesome opportunity. Noting out that it's for entertainment purposes. We don't dare take the setups as they might result in us losing all of our money as well. Exactly, bro.
Good. Don't take my trades.
Stop on. I use a 40 pip stop. I'm going to say spot on. But I get you, Ed. So you're already out of the trade then? Or you're waiting for 1 to 3? Go and register. Yeah, there's a link for the giveaway, guys. Miles, I'll follow your trade, bro. Let's kindly push the like button, and content is insightful. Appreciate all you guys. Can't create another XM account. They already have my ID information. Use your mother, your auntie, your granny, your girlfriend or wife, your ex-girlfriend. Use all of them and go make accounts, bro. The more you enter, the more entries you have. Ain't talking to gold. Her mood is giving menopause. Keys, I follow your trades, bro. Hey, Lyndon. You can follow Miles on Instagram.
Keys. What now? We killed it.
You know what, guys? And I don't know. Hey, it's things are it's gonna be ticking the buttons here. But Chad, what is your thoughts, eh? When people want to talk on you guys, actually, Miles, I want to hear your thoughts because Chad, we've had this talk already here in the office.
Before we go on though, can we put that aircon off?
Yeah, I was waiting
My
for you.
My toes
to
is frozen.
I am freezing on the side. What is your thoughts, bro? When someone wants to try to start beef with you for no reason, but they also don't even have their facts straight, but they just want to target you. Now, my thing is, they have no reason to. Is it clout because they want us to give them a platform? Or what is... And guys, yes, before you want to call us the kettle, call in us calling the kettle black. Yes, we call people out, but on offense, like when they are doing something wrong, to call them on their shit. But when this is someone, there's no issue, no beef. These are people we even would say we were friends with at a stage. Now you calling us out.
Wait, is it like a live situation?
Live situation, bro.
You
part of this, bro. That's what I'm asking you.
Me?
Yeah.
What's going on, mate? Go. What's going on? No, I'm just joking, Chad. For me, I don't entertain people.
I really want to know Miles' approach.
I don't. It depends what the situation is. But personally, I don't entertain people. Yeah, I just don't waste my time, man. Like, unless it's like repetitive and you're now really chasing me cock, then I want to chase him the full number.
My thing
but
is,
yeah,
bro,
I don't still worry with people.
You know, Chad. That's the thing. I'm not going to. And that's the thing. We family, and that's why we talk about these things. But don't literally claim 2 pips on a news event. They want to come throw shade at us, and you hit 1 news event in 3 years, and we have a much better streak. Not that we have 100%, but a much better win rate. Yet you want to throw shade at us.
I think I know this.
And you catch 2 trades and go on about a trade that actually only hit 6 pips, 7 pips. Like, come on, what do we do, bro? What happened here?
For me, I'm not gonna lie. Like, when I was younger, I was a very physical person. I'm just gonna put it like that.
Physical.
I will knock you the fuck out. But as I've grown up and I've matured, hitting almost 30.
Ah.
I just don't entertain people because if I'm going to allow everybody to... I don't know the English word. I know the Afrikaans word, but it's not nice to say. But pull face, I don't know how to say that in English. But if I'm going to allow everybody and anything to just pull from me, it's going to actually start breaking my character down. So I don't entertain people.
Neil, it's not a S. It's not a S. It's about family, tuna, white, no crust. When you focus on grades, boys, if you focus on them doing, the more it will just come easier and important. Focus on the positivity. 100%, bro. I definitely agree with you. That is why we never responded. We didn't even give it the time of day. But it's purely a thing of, these are people we only wish the best for. What, now things aren't going their way, now they come and attack us. We haven't. That is just where we were like, you know what, it's a cuck thing, but you know what, it shows your character. But yeah, that's what I said. Sorry guys, we honestly want your opinions on this as well. But no, I agree with exactly what Miles is saying there. I think when we were maybe a bit younger, bro, we would have handled this so differently.
Definitely, yeah. But as I've gotten older, and my thing is this, like, what's a good example? Where I'm not trying to keep you cut or whatever, but where I'm at in my life, I have a lot more to lose than the person that's maybe chasing me cuck. So I won't really stoop down to that level. Unless it becomes physical, then I'll obviously defend myself or whatever. But I mean, if you're just chirping shit, go for it, brother. I'm not gonna get down to your level. I don't have time for that.
Bonus, no, brother. I like to keep the accounts separate, because what you've then done is you've put all your cards into one pile, and if shit hits the fan, you lose everything in one. So I like to keep them separate. Hi guys, so you guys are doing well, and the truth is all about patience. 100% patience, one of the biggest things in trading.
Yeah, dude.
Hey Chad.
G trading. Hey, Gino, yes, bro. It's good to hear from you, Gino.
Gino,
G trading. Wait,
I was gonna say, where do you see a Gino here, bro?
Yeah, I hope it's him. I think that is his YouTube thingy.
Turn the other cheek. No, exactly. That's why we haven't responded to it. How do you manage them? So, perfect example, my brother. So, literally now, I'm on the documenting getting $1 million in funding capital. First 2 accounts are done now. So, how it will happen, if you guys know, so I do my payouts bi-weekly, so every 2 weeks. So, let's say I hit my payout goal of, let's just say 3% in the first week. I park the bus, and that account's payouts in 2 weeks. Then I won't even actually trade the rest of that week. I'll wait for the next week, and that next week, then I'll trade the next account. And if that hits target, I'll park the bus and I'll move on to the next one, and so on and so on. But also when I trade the accounts, what I'll do is the kind of the same vice versa, is I'll trade, but let's say I take 2 losses in a row. I will leave that account. I will leave the rest of the week. I sit back and take a minute to regain myself, look at what I'm doing wrong. Where can I fix it? Go look at my journal, everything like that. Then the next week, I'll come back to my trading, but I'll trade a different account. First, see if I get my edge back. That way, I prevent myself from digging into a deeper hole in one account, and kind of keep them all on fair playing field, where it allows you to always mentally come out of that negative drawdown.
Cam, let me just answer you that question for you. So check here, if I have my zones out on gold here. So here we have gold. It's very similar setup to GJ, where you have price grabbing liquidity off of these lows after holding that support, then directly pushing us back into that level of what's this, 29 flat to 29.25. The idea is that's going to come to resistance, right? But alongside that way, we have our current daily highs, which isn't really so important because I still have previous daily highs to be taken out. So I go ahead and mark that, and then
Dylan, dollars. Sorry, brother.
I was just about to comment on that. Actually, I don't think we would ever speak about rands. So here's the zone here, Cam. There's my level there. And then obviously I've got my level of supply up there. Then I've got micro levels on that 30 as well, which is the zone like this. So if I start to actually tie this pair down and give it the levels. This is why I didn't even analyze today. For me personally, I can see the type 2 you're speaking about, and you can take that play, but is it worth it in all this choppiness? That's my thing. So the one thing about the way I trade is we can't just have entry criteria lining up. We need to have the overall criteria lining up as well. So in this case, look, the 30 minutes bullish as well. So that's fine. I'll change it now. But you do have the idea that your 30 minutes bullish, it's rejected here on the high time frame, come back up on the level, broken, retested, held support. Here's your range. The buys can definitely work for sure. But for me personally, is it worth trading in such a choppy market? Because I need to understand one thing. Resistance and support isn't only found in structure, but also within candlesticks as well, which I teach you guys. So there's resistance right there. There's resistance there. There's resistance there. Do you see all these resistance areas? And it's not just random resistances. It lines up exactly on the left as well. So at any one of these points, price can reject. So just note that if you do take that sort of idea, that sort of setup, that is the market conditions that you're going to face. So then the big question is, if there is 5 available techies that I can buy today, am I going to buy the techies that has holes in the soles? And this is one of those pairs. If you can put that 2 and 2 together, this means this is the most shittiest setup of one of the setups you can possibly find today. So that's why even though it can play out, because you can still wear that techies with the gaten and honor, I just wouldn't do it personally. Not financial advice, but in my opinion, this isn't a trade that I would risk my capital on. Listen what song's playing. Who knows where this song's from? Bro, this is such nostalgia. This is my jam. I was building my Nissan Skyline R34 to this number. But Cam, I hope that answers it for you, brother. If this maybe had happened outside, or it was just a bit more cleaner, then I would get involved. Then yeah. Need for Speed Underground 2. Yes, sir. Oh my gosh, this was the jam. This was the jam.
If they don't know this, bro, they're too young for you.
This is how good I have it. Hi. Hi, I'm Brooke Burke, and I'll play Rachel Taylor in Need for Speed Underground 2. I felt like I won playing this game with my orange juice next to me, my chippies here.
Bro, we can't even lie. Guys, the drifting in Underground 2 was probably some of the best drifting in games.
Definitely. Me too, Carl. Me too. Me too. I was like, damn, this is my watching.
Told me she doesn't look like Megan Fox.
She has that
from
vibe to her.
the Transformers scene.
She has that vibe to her.
That
Definitely.
whole little crop top thing.
Yep. Definitely. Thanks, Miles. I'll stick to new techies. Clear it up. 100%, brother. Look, guys, there's always going to be setups every day, every session, all the time. You need to be very selective with the setups you take, but also don't let it become so selective that you double think your trades. If you see your setup there, pull the trigger. Because the moment you start to overthink it, yo, this and that, that's when you start missing out on setups. Then you think the next setup that you really waited on is the setup for you, and then you lose it. Then you quit. So my motto and understanding is if your setup lines out and it's within your rule criteria, take the trade. That's the only way we're going to get to where we want to be, is actually acting on our plan. You can't just have the plan and hope for the best setup. There is no perfect setup, to be honest with you. I could have a 10 out of 10 setup here and I could lose it. Just take your trade. Why buy tickies if you need sandals? Now we hide the dogs.
That was also the only time, bro, that every car had underglow.
I'm checking. Oh, I'm dying. I'm dying. Don't tell me you walk around with the Crocs in State City. Hey, we can't hate on the Crocs now. We love this. We love the Crocs. India. The weird thing is I can hear there was this tone you would go through as you select the different bumpers and rims and all that stuff. I can hear that in my head.
Yeah.
I'm customizing a car in my head right now. Crazy.
No, Garen still has it, but he switches on and off though.
give up, 'cause I just don't give up. Yeah, I'm from the side, boy, where we was born.
Mini bull flag on 30 minutes, but it's not worth it. On one pair.
Expeditiously. Keep the light on, east side on, Snoop Dogg in the doors, and yeah, we about to ride.
The only red flags I know is in the woman I used to date. I don't know.
100% was ahead of his time. That, to be fair, Underground 2, and I'll still argue it, the one game we need the remake of, Most Wanted.
Must.
Most Wanted,
Must,
bro.
bro. You know how much police I used to bump in that game? Yo. So I got
Yo, Chad, and it's race week, baby. Bro, I hope you know we up at like 6 on Sunday, hey?
to watch? No,
We're watching,
easy.
bro.
I'm easy.
I don't care if we have to go find a place. I don't know where in Cape Town will be open at 6 in the morning, but we're going to go find a place.
Hey, if we have to go to Google later to watch it, we're going to Google later. Look, Need for Speed Carbon was great as well. I think almost all the Need for Speed was good until Pro Street. Once it became that track shit, I was like, nah. Where's the
To be
police,
fair,
man?
bro, I must say I really enjoyed Need for Speed Shift. The actual like race track racing.
Oh, that Shift.
Like you
I
built
don't
the
know if I-
race
I don't know if I
cars.
played that
and
one.
I smarked Shift, bro. That was dope.
I don't know if I played Shift.
Like Chad, whoever was here, like you played it as well. Like let me know. But I really smarked Shift. Like that was
Damn,
when that was when I think we were boys with the street racing, getting into like race cars.
I didn't play this one.
Bro, Shift was so dope.
Chad, if someone has this game, let me. How do I get it? I need to try it out. Here's a way off Need for Speed topic. Who played Midnight Club?
Yo,
Bro. Now that was my jam. Most Wanted had the best story. Yeah, look, I really enjoy the storylines as well. And the customizations. Kylie Chow, ready to be your tour guide. You have it on your phone? How do you have it on your phone?
yo, what's next, yeah, bro?
Get to a Black Monday, yeah, I played it. Why are they playing Need for There's a Need for Speed playlist. There's still a Need for Speed tracks. Oh my gosh. Whoa, blame.
This is like when we got into it, bro.
Da da da. Da da da.
Yeah. I swear, bro, these were the games that turned boys into men.
No, 100%. Look, the Forzas now, it's like it's real, but it doesn't give me that, like, I don't know, these games don't.
It's not the same,
It's
bro.
not the same.
You found like the manner with this.
Nah, this was my jam, dude. SmackDown vs. Raw 2008. Bro.
That also was proper, eh?
I used to love throwing people off Hell in the Cell. I take Undertaker to the top, I throw him off the Rey Mysterio.
Yeah.
Afvliegen.
Oh, bro, what was that other one?
These O's are on Flakker. Every time I kill one, I leave it on the walls. Now your Raiders. Play ticket, they get taken for the. I don't know. Look, I wasn't a skateboarder, but I used to love Tony Hawk. Those type of
that
games
was
was
so
dope
much fun,
as well.
bro. Alright, Chad, before we get
Crash Bandicoot, that was also OG, bro. That and Spyro for me was dope.
nah, bro, you know what I loved, eh? Ratchet and Clank and Jack and Daxter.
I used to have that on my PC.
That was
Not
always-
PC, PSP. What do you call it? Yeah, PSP. That was top. Jack and Daxter. Ratchet and Clank.
Yeah, the old Tekken also was crazy. Keeps when your partner with a broker, do you guys have to use it as well, or can you just be promoters? We do use it. Was just about to mention those games, Keeks. Yeah, bro, goated. I mean, even now, bro, when like the PS5 came out and that new Ratchet and Clank, which it is the multiverse or whatever the hell it's called now. I was like, I have to get it. That literally was, I think, the first game I got on my PS5.
Yo, what's up? I used to play the first tickets on PlayStation 1 with my Oma and my mother. We used to moer the game. Plus, they don't know the button combos, so they're just spamming one button. I used to hate people that play like that. They just kick the whole time. You can't get to them because they're just kicking the whole time.
Richard, press unmute, brother.
What?
No, Richard's saying there's no sound. I'm saying he must unmute.
Miles got my first black eye shine from playing SmackDown.
Jumped in gold bars, rain 13% so far. Yeah, I must say I like the gold bars, bro. I think it's not gonna run like for too long, but I definitely do
Yeah,
like
you
it.
are. You're approaching liquidity now.
Yeah, chat. Honestly, I think we're gonna hang out till about 11 or so. A little bit of a shorter stream, purely because obviously we're gonna go have our haircuts, just to chill out, get some things done. Because obviously today's a bit of a busy one.
Yeah,
We've got the CPI call with our members, and then still New York afterwards. And then obviously we got to start getting things ready for the trip. I'm holding my gold bars for the day. We'll see what happens here. The only police that made me scared to play a game with the police in Jack 3. Yeah, I used to never want to play that game outside the arena.
Jack 3, what is this? Where do you guys get these games?
Bro.
Remember that time like on Jack 3, I remember this. Remember that time like on PlayStation, I don't know which one, whatever PlayStation does that sound, and you pray that the game works because it might be scratched. Sure. That's when I really like got strong in my faith. Praying for games to work.
Yeah, Jack was bombing out PS2. So I'm late, Jane. South African internet providers are the best. Yeah, bro. We actually thought today we weren't gonna have internet again because we got to the office and our internet was chalked, and we're like, oh boys, they're gonna be another one of those days. Did anyone play the game called Bully? Yeah, bro. The new one's actually not that bad.
The new one?
Yeah.
There's a new one?
Yeah.
What? I love Bully. What? There's a new one?
Yeah, it came out last year, didn't it, guys? Last year, 2 years ago. When did it come out?
Bro, there's a new one. Why does it give me dogs? Is it like the remake of the...
Yeah, what am I thinking of here?
Bro, I want this game.
Wait, hold on. Or is the new one still being in production? Wait, hold on. Yeah, San Andreas with all the cheat codes was just tops. Yeah, they haven't made the new Bully yet. Yeah, sorry man, I was thinking, yeah, I saw the snippets of them making it, but I don't think it's come out yet.
Bro, if they make a new one, that's gonna be sick. I really enjoyed it. I never finished the game, but the one from 360 you can still download on Xbox. Big tick. Dope. That's dope. Anyone play Chicken Run? That also sounds very familiar.
Yo.
Isn't that Wallace and Gromit thingies? Well, I'm just maybe very... Yeah, Wallace, isn't this Wallace and Gromit? Like the cartoon style, like that sort of era of cartoons. They look like paste. Like Play-Doh.
Guys, hold on. Who played Barnyard? Come on, hold on, chat. Wait. Who played
that
Barnyard?
Also sounds very familiar.
That game was crazy.
Okay, I didn't play it. I watched the movie though. There's a game?
Bro, the game, it's open world. It's literally open world.
What?
You can ride bicycles, you can do stunts, you can shoot chickens.
Are you the cow?
Yeah.
What? That's dope.
The Simpsons Hit and Run.
Yes,
100%,
that was
yeah.
my game. Simpsons game, yeah, that was dope.
Same, good bro. Just good banter, but you have to be sorted gold though. This good run. Yeah, Brian. They also somehow the only broker I know that takes pending orders on a news event. I've never had not even off quotes. I don't know what broker takes pending orders, but apparently they do that as well. Let's be honest. Do we even know when GS is coming out? You play a Simpsons game. Also watched the movie only. I did a long time ago. You could drive the cars with the car. Yeah, you could do everything.
Postal was also fun. Bro, I played Postal too. I was a problem in that game. I'm sorry if I have just like for saying this on stream, but I just used to pee on people. That's what I did in the game. Because I like as a young kid, you can pee in a game. That's crazy. That's all I did.
Yeah.
Kill people and I pee on them.
Keegan, you're now pulling out a memory I forgot existed, bro. Postal was also fun using a cat as a gun silencer. Yo.
I forgot about that game.
I
Actually.
love broker chats. Yeah. Always a good time when we talk brokers. Even what was the other one? With the skies falling. What was it called?
Sky is falling.
You weren't a chicken. You were, what was it?
Oh, I know that one. You the small chicken.
Yeah, you're a chicken, eh?
That's
Oh,
something
Chicken Little.
Chicken Little. Chicken Little. Yeah.
There was also the video game of that.
Postal 2. This was a weird game, but it was different. To be honest, I don't even know the point of that game.
My statement remains, Miles, you're a menace. Miles pulling out jokes this morning.
Who played SOCOM? You guys are making me Google all this. Because SOCOM, no, I never played it.
Brian, my only thing is that when I saw that expo, please tell me you didn't think that was a baby shower. Bro, I looked at that and I was like, these oaks are like at a baby shower? Like, what's going on here? Bro, legit baby shower.
Money Club days.
Max Payne, yo.
Yeah, Metal Gear Solid was dope. The one where you can only move left and right. That Metal Gear Solid, that was my shit.
Facts, geeks. Hey, what's up, Eddie? Bro, what was... Guys, as much as the new ones are so dope. I love the new ones. They still literally were contenders for Game of the Years. But PS2, the God of War era. God of War 2 and... Bro the storylines, the violence, just a hack and slash.
That was dope, online. To be fair, I feel like nowadays games is very online based to play with people. Compared to back then, there was a lot of story mode games, and I enjoy that a lot. Like being younger, I enjoy a good story mode game. I used to love Tomb Raider. She was my crush as a kid. Yeah, I was in love with Lara Croft.
Nah, bro. Can't be Lara, bro.
To this day, I can't finish the PS2.
Why? Bro, PS2 sports games were the best. Cricket 07, Rugby 08, FIFA. Cricket 07. To be fair, Jordan, I always think of Rugby 08, but even Cricket 07, that slapped. The new Harry Potter game is wild. The open world one. Yeah, it is pretty cool.
Who's that guy? You're that guy. Who's that guy on YouTube that reviews? Hollow. You see?
Yeah.
You must check his review on Hogwarts.
Yeah.
Something Hogwarts.
No, I have it. I've
dope.
finished it. It is a
Did you
very good
finish
game. Yeah.
Yeah.
Like finished the PS4 and PS5 ones, but this PS2, bro, different bolt. Find it funny when all those gurus be promoting a new broker like their students are going to make more money. It's still the same markets. They still lose. Yeah, exactly, bro. The dominant version was just as good.
Bad bread. Oh, rad bread. What's bad bread?
Got to run the other bosses call in and have awesome day chat and stay blessed. Keegs and Miles and Ricks, peace and love. Cheers, my brother. Have a good one. Also, which one was it? There also was a Dragon Ball Z we had on the PS2. What was it called? That Dragon Ball Z game was so good.
Tenkaichi. It was Tenkaichi. It was Tenkaichi. Terry, I did see your comment on GJ. To be very honest with you, I'm not looking at anything because I'm done for the day. But here's the setup for GJ. Engulfing closure above. That's all I'm going to say. Type 2, engulfing closure above. You know the play after that. That's all I'm going to say.
Bro, when you just look at the amount of games that came out in the PS2 era, like that was probably one of the goated series, bro. Even for me, like, I don't know you guys.
I used to hire
what
games
was
on
it? The Yu-Gi-Oh game was also dope, bro. Playing your cards and then seeing the monsters and that comes alive and fight. Like, there were just so many good games on PS2, bro.
I'm not gonna lie. I never. Okay, besides, I wasn't that fortunate to have like that sort of stuff, but I never understood the Yu-Gi-Oh card games, man. I couldn't. I couldn't understand.
Was there, bro. Yu-Gi-Oh and Pokemon. I mean, yeah, Digimon.
I liked Pokemon a lot. I was obsessed with Pokemon.
What else? What was this other Bakugan?
That's up. That
The ones, no, that was Beyblade.
Oh, that's Beyblade.
Bakugan, the one where you rolled it and then the magnetic
Oh,
on
they
the
like
card.
pop open.
Yeah.
Beyblade. Hectic.
Brian, I get that, but you can't deny that the Furies do have most of the clients, and it's small business move. Brokers ain't cheap to run. But the thing is, the only thing is, 100% you got to bring them. But like again, there's that thing of morals for the business. You just want clients, but you're getting them screwed over. At the same time, when you could have just stayed where you were. So yeah, it works both ways.
Miles was collecting Tazos. I was, bro. I don't know how old you guys are, but if you a good age like myself, do you remember when they put money in the chips? I used to look for that 10 rands, guys. Do you remember that?
Nah, bro. All I cared about was was it Simba? It was Simba or Lays.
Simba.
When they did the Dragon Ball Z
Tazos.
Tazos.
Yeah.
Bro.
Simba, yeah.
It was Simba, eh?
Simba, yeah.
Ah. Nah, our childhoods were just different, bro.
Yeah, nah. It was definitely Simba. Lays was a wind bucket. You have a full packet, but you don't have like 3 chips.
Did anyone play Total Overdose? It was like the Mexican GTA. What?
That also sounds familiar, actually. Total Overdose. Never mind. I've never seen this before. ASA. Yeah, this is my. Do you guys remember True Crime New York?
You are.
That was lit. That was super dope. And True Crime LA, I think it was.
Nikes, I find it weird so many of them and the migration so quickly as well. But point blank period, I don't trust any broker as far as I can see them. I won't change my opinion about that. Yeah. It's anyone that's really SA and it's kind of being run by an influencer, things like I wouldn't trust. You want any broker that's got an international platform.
Yeah.
You can trust.
100%. Remember the spoons you got in Cocoa Pops? Yes, and then they changed colors when you put it in milk. I remember those.
Kids will never understand to plug 3 ports into a box TV to get video and audio. Yo. Red, white, and yellow, hey? Or was it orange? Yellow?
Yellow, yeah.
Red, white,
Red, white.
yellow.
Yeah, red, white, yellow, yeah.
The series low-key goated game was Mark of Cree. Not many people knew it, and it was insane. What was that other one? It also was a Killzone. Killzone was also good, but that went for me, went downhill very fast.
I'm gonna put something on my screen, Chad, but this is the idea. If this candle can close strong bullish, this is what I would anticipate. Just to let you know, I'm not taking this trade. I'm done for the day. We finished the day before London Open. But this should be the next idea. In 2 minutes.
Sure, Jordan, if they do that, bro, they'll be mad. Hey, Dylan, the problem is, brother, you can't trade without a broker. So you've kind of at least got to have some form of trust with one of them. Rooks, yeah, I'm sure he'll share it there for you now. Get entering, guys. Like we said, you guys are going to be clever with it. I mean, every 500 Rand you deposit, that's a double up on your entry. Keep in mind, key phrase there, guys, deposit. So you don't even have to trade it, deposit it, leave it even in there until after the comp if you want to. Then you can withdraw it. Yeah, trade it, do whatever you want. But yeah, remember key phrases there, guys. You just, even if you just deposit into it, that doubles you up.
Okay, Chad, you got 15 seconds here. What I'd anticipate is that if we can close something like this, the next candle to open up, grab liquidity, and as it breaks the highs, for it to drive to this level of liquidity there. That would be my idea. I'll show you guys now where I would have entered. So here we've got a perfect closure. You need price to come down to grab liquidity, just like that, stunning. Next candle to break those highs, 2 pips above, 191,993. Please don't take this trade. I'm just explaining something. I know someone's going to take this trade. Asseblief toch. This would be the trade. Okay? This is a type 2 for me. Keeks, how's that Vault Funded leaderboard looking, my brother?
I'll pull it up now, bro. Quite interesting, actually, but I'll pull it up now for you guys.
For better entry, can we get it when price retraces? For better entry, I can punch you in the throat. For free.
Alright, let's have a look here, guys. Let me find it. Let me pull that up.
I think I'm hearing Father Christmas inside, guys. He might be in the building.
As leeway, but complete trust would be foolish. Like, I can't understand how people keep more money in their broker wallet than in a savings account. It's foolish in my opinion. Yeah, I can agree with you to a point there, bro. TP hit, close computer now, open PS1, playing Dino. You can't punch your bodyguard in Cape Town, that's not how it works.
Miles, you say bite away. Huh?
Alright. Okay, guys, let's put this on here. Trader hard. Cool, let's have a look here, guys. So still we got Spacey Light 37. Looks like this hasn't changed since yesterday. So we got Velocity, one of the Chad members, in 3rd place. Jaden Faree, I don't know if he's still young now, but he is a Project G member. Faber, Samson Knight, Carl Jacobs. Carl, I think, isn't Carl Jacobs in the Chad? Coburn, Lapis, and JP Alpha, and Roger. Those are the top guys leading the leaderboard so far for March. But yeah,
it's crazy how those percentages were now sitting like 100%, something like that.
we had the two guys that were in 100%. but he created 57 profiles.
What?
56 profiles. So he got deleted and kicked out of the challenge.
57 profiles,
Yeah.
my guy.
That's 57 emails you went and made, bro.
Yeah, he has pluck. I give it to him because he has pluck. Yeah, well done, bro. You got time and pluck. I suck to make one email.
The competition has been an absolute DJ and outplaced over 300 positions in 2 days. Damn, bro. I don't think I can mention out of respect on the stream. Okay, no, perfect, bro. We appreciate that.
Just want to say, if I had to take this position, it would be a buy stop. Just saying so for...
Edski, you should have been in the call last night, bro.
Slacking, Ed. You are slacking. No hot tub Wednesdays for you. Ooh, that 5-word looks very nice as well.
Keeks, I don't want to be that guy, but how long after passing phase 2 can I expect an email of some sort past last night? Yeah, sorry, my brother. I'll escalate it for support to get to you. If your minimum days, all of that stuff's done, it shouldn't be too long. What they're going to do is probably send you an email to arrange your risk interview. So just please look into that if there is an email there. So you'll have your risk interview. Once that is done, then you'll be getting your account the minute those interviews finished.
Done for the day from the earlier setup, thanks. Thank you, brother, for not taking the trade. Thanks, brother. Appreciate that. Can I still come with to Candies on Fridays? Who goes to Candies, bro? All I wanted was the YouTube plaque, but I don't have the drive. Look at those gold longs. Let's go, baby. What's Goldilocks doing? Not much in liquidity. Nice. Who owns Vault Funder? Father Christmas. For real, Father Christmas. Me too, Safiso. I'm done for the day, bro. Loli and Safiso. You guys. Father Chris, yeah. Someone got it. Someone got my joke.
Alright, Stefan, do me a favor, brother. Check your emails. You either should have just got the email or it is literally going to be landing in like a few minutes.
How is that for customer support? How is that? 2 minutes later, boom.
We do apologize. It was more a thing of tech. Tech obviously just doing the review on your account. It literally was approved a few minutes ago. So that's why you were just waiting for that. So yeah, just check your emails shortly, brother. Ed might as well just have his own YouTube block made at this rate. What did Ed do now?
Top service, yet the O's can't find the like button. That's what I'm checking, bro.
Yeah, Stefan, you must grill the risk interview guy, bro. Don't let him walk all over you. You show him who's boss.
Miles, GU, please. No.
Hey, thanks, Keith. Received it now. Perfect, brother. Perfect.
Chad, I don't know. Maybe. I might have a iced coffee obsession at the moment. There's my second one this week. Bear in mind, I haven't drank coffee since 2019. Bear in mind.
Oh, I'll interview him. The risk interview guy caught me off guard. Risk interview, that's cool. Yeah. Man's gonna be scaling in your own GJ.
Who, me? No. Guys, we are one and done.
Bro, why don't we do this?
No.
No, listen to this idea. Chad, the man's on a win streak. So we still trade 10 pips. But we technically double the risk. So you actually technically traded 20 pips.
Yo.
How's that for the psychology?
This guy wants me to make a lot of money. 42 on gold. I'm out for it. Well done, Brian.
Hey, awesome trade, bro.
Brian.
Chad, my stream journey ends here for today's session. We will check each of you in New York. Peace and love. Cheers, brother. One more for Cape Town.
Hi-bo.
Yeah, guys, I probably don't think, I don't know how Miles feels. We probably won't do a little bit longer. Because I said, we just want to also rest up, get a few things done before CPI, and get everything ready to go for tomorrow.
Yeah, we can call it. We'll see how this candle closes. But yeah.
But Brian works for FNB. That man doesn't miss on gold. Brian, is that like a joke, or do you legit work for FNB?
I was just about to ask that because
If so, we need to talk, bro.
yeah, bro.
Simple setup after open candle. That sounds like someone that's got insider knowledge there. It's simple, guys. Just a quick 1 to 5. Simple.
Yeah.
Catch some corners on the FNB Forex accounts. I'm 14 now. My last job working for someone, I was 19. Okay, well that answers the question, Chad.
Oh, now he owns FNB.
Yeah, he owns it.
Yeah.
That's
He
why
owns
it's not insider knowledge. It's technically his knowledge. He's
all it
just
is.
like, I can review any of the systems that are in my name. Let's see, Chad, how these markets working here. Nas, oof, that is just a beautiful grabber play today, guys. Yeah, Nas and US City, both perfect plays.
Jordan, where did you get your Afrikaans from?
You take
Jordan failed his Mondeling, guys. Guys, there's my friend Ed. Say hi to Ed. Hi, Ed. Yes, Tariq, this is the Jordan. This is the Jordan. So you and Connor have to meet him. Yeah, you guys will meet him. You have to, like it's a have. You three have to meet. Connor, Jordan, and Tariq. You guys have to meet. This is that guy. I feel like you three will be Dirk Chorbies. Because you guys are the same. In a good way, in a good way.
Oh, when we meet up, would love to hear all the stuff Miles has said about me. Yeah, bro, you must hear the things he says, yeah.
Jordan, I ain't being the bearer of bad news. Gold, 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 breakout. Yay.
Someone has to be. Ah, yeah, the Chad.
Tariq, just bring Connor with you.
Oh, bro, they like glued to the
Yeah,
place
as well.
too.
They. What do you call the twins that's built together?
Oh,
What do you call that? Stick together twins.
it's con something.
Conjoined.
God, there you go.
Yeah, Tariq and Connor's like conjoined twins. So now you guys can be conjoined triplets with Jordan.
Keys are all the stories for you, Jordan. Alright, guys, I mean, there it's 11. Miles, how you feeling, bro?
I'm feeling good. Cape Town, are you ready for us?
Think you're ready to call it there, bro?
Let's see how this train runs quickly.
Oh, damn, nothing's in there. Keys, I'll write a small explanation on what I look for on gold. Give me a few days, I'll send it over. Like, I'll ask me why I'm still watching the live if I'm already profitable and trading, taking trades on my own.
Are you
Hey,
lying
it's
to your
for-
girlfriend?
It's for the vibe. Yo, I was still like,
Kidding,
hey, for
kidding.
the vibes. And this man's like, wait, why are you lying?
Kidding, Chad, kidding.
Do I have a choice becoming a triplet?
In this case, Chad, because there's no bottom, I would go to break even on this position if I was anybody that would be in this trade right now.
There's TP now.
That would have been your TP anyway.
Chad,
So yeah,
and on that note, it was a good trade. We know some of you guys took that trade. But alright, Miles. Closing remarks, brother. Your last one before Cape Town.
the streak continues. Another successful day for the two youngins in the office. But Chad, thanks for joining today. It was a like one just to chat with you guys and talk some shit. For those guys in Cape Town, we'll see you guys on Friday.
Soon.
Yeah,
Miles
we'll be
is gonna
heading.
experience it, boys on tour.
Yeah, boys on tour. We'll be down tomorrow, so keep us in your prayers and make sure you're at the venue. Friday,
that's it.
Saturday, and I think those emails are out there, Keeks.
Yeah, they've been going out. There was an SMS that went out. Yeah, everything should be out, guys.
Perfect, guys. Peace and love, baby.
That's
Keeks
it,
and Chris will be on at 3,
Three. Yeah.
and I'll see you guys in Cape Town.
As always,
Cheers,
Chad, being great being here. Love joining in with the London boys every now and again. But yeah, we're gonna see you guys not same place, same time tomorrow. We've got big man Ed gonna take over, and I'm sure he'll do you guys well. Let's hope he doesn't turn it completely into the Ed show. But but we know our boy will. You guys will be looked after. So we'll see you guys when we are back. Enjoy the rest of the week. Again, guys, we're going to keep you updated on the what's all happening, Cape Town, giveaways, all that stuff. So just have a look on the socials. But we are not done yet. Myself and Chris will be out for New York. We still have one more in the bag for you guys. So trade safe for CPI, Project G members. We're going to see you guys then. As always, Chad, peace and love. And we'll see you guys on the flip side. Cheers, baby.
We are dreaming in the dark. We are nothing more than dust. Search but you stay lost. We are reaching for the stars, but we're making this too hard. And I wonder where you are. Mysterious, that's the part you always show. 'Cause you're too curious. Maybe you should take it slow. Mysterious, that's the part you always show. 'Cause you're too curious. Maybe you should take it slow. We're dreaming in the dark. We are nothing more than dust. You search but you stay lost.